What is up, guys? So we got our cabinet doors that we actually ordered in last week. So I'm gonna put those on today and really just kind of wrap up the island because that's really all that needs to be done. We put, like I said in the Instagram video, we put a shiplap for this island on the side here, just to cover up this seam when you put two cabinets together. All I did was just stain it and seal it. So just to try to match the actual cabinets the best as I can. And if you kind of look at like angles, some angles it like doesn't look like it's a match, but it's just kind of nice little contrast, but everything looks good. So yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys. I haven't taken these cabinets apart or put the doors on, so you guys are gonna learn with me. It looks like all that needs to be done. And these two cabinets, this is an 18-inch, this is an 18-inch, and these doors are backwards. So when I install the cabinets, I put the doors on backwards, or I put the this cabinet's supposed to be over here, and this one over here. So when you open them, they go that way. So I'm just gonna switch that around and then put the new doors on. And then for a lot of you guys that don't follow me on Instagram, we went with the JennAir appliances. The reason being is we got a microwave that was free, thanks Blake. And Anna was worried about the appliances, the stainless steel's mismatching. So she was worried about the stainless steel's mismatching. So we just went with the fridge, stove. Cool thing about the dishwasher is we went with a cabinet door. So we don't have any stainless steel on that. So it's literally just gonna look like a white cabinet door with a handle on it so you can pull it down. The fridge is a counter depth, and it's only, I think it's 73 inches, so it's taller than your standard, what do I want to say? Counter depth? Wow. And we didn't want to go with a wide, full fridge, because that full fridge would sit like out to here. And it just wouldn't look good. So, and then like I said, we're gonna do concrete quartz, white quartz, matte quartz with the gray veining. And we just got that. We have a template coming August 12th, and it is June 28th. And so the countertops won't be installed until September 1st. So yeah, just like everybody's backed up, and which we kind of knew it, so that's where we're at. So yeah, today, just gonna replace the cabinet doors. And then I got this cool under cabinet lighting. This is what I'm gonna use. So, and you can hook up your phone to it and Alexa and all that and just say, hey lights, I want lights on, and then they'll come on. So I'm gonna install those. And we have our, puck lights we're gonna put puck lights here, so you don't have to do the can lights, the recessed, and it's just LED puck lights. You can just run wire to each one. Put some there, put some there. I'm gonna put one here, and then we're gonna have two lights, hanging lights on the island itself. So, sorry for the rant, but just kind of want to give you guys a little update on what's to come. So, but yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video today. And if you could, like, share, subscribe, and I hope you enjoy the video. So here's what I was kind of thinking. So these need to come off. And I don't know, this is to hold it actually in place, but I don't know, usually on some cabinets, I don't know all, but you can almost I don't know if they'll just pop out or how easy they'll come out is basically, because I don't want to ruin the hinges. Probably shouldn't be using impact, but let's see how she works. I think starting to get it. Sorry. Okay. Oh, look at that. So they just screw into that little plastic jobbies. So now I can just take those guys up and this should come out. And then I'll just, well, no, I'll leave them in there. Because then I can just put the new door on. Because I still have to level them out anyway. 4. That. Boom. Just like that. So. Oh. This door. This wasn't the one that we wanted. So I shouldn't have took that one off. What an idiot. Well, I'm gonna show you guys how to put them back on. Something like this. Ooh. Just center home. There we go. I'm wondering if I should just take, well, I don't know, if I should take these doors off first. I probably will, but this, I already got it in my hand, so we're just gonna do it. If I have problems with it, then I won't butt it in. Oh. Problem is now these are the good doors. So we don't want to. So I think. Yep, we're just gonna take the doors off. Yep, and then we'll put the new ones on. So we don't lose my cool. Scratch these nice doors. Be cool, Wade. Be cool. Let me know what you guys think. Where's the door at? This door. So this door has a notch missing out of it. Like that. Nope. Focus up. See, it's not true like that one. What'd you guys do? Would you put it on? Would you call them? I can send you a new one. I'm not sure. Okay. Time for the new doors. Let's hope this goes good. No scratches. No scratches, wait. No scratches. Seems like it's, that's why. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What's the best way here? God, I really don't want to take them off. See that? It's not what we want, because then we nick the gosh darn cabinets and then it won't be good. If I go like that, they don't want to freaking snug in there. Oh, now they do. Let's see, I can't get this one in there. Ooh. Yeah, I like it. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh. Okay. 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 Oh, truth. See how they look. Drum roll. Sheesh! See, like what I would say is, can't really tell that they're the wrong doors. But hey, my wife says, hey, they're the wrong doors. It's not what I got. You say yes, I agree. Okay, this is gonna be a pain. Yep, I already tell you. I already tell you. Chief? Ooh. Look at that. What do you guys see? I thought this would be way worse. Wait. Oops. Okay, that's boring enough. I'm gonna put you guys on time lapse. See. Oh, shadow that I still need to level them. So look at that one. Now I'll just work on these drawers. So I think they're just screws. Looks like it. And the other ones will just screw on. Sweet. And then I think we got a smaller one than that, which wouldn't surprise me. The way these cabinets have gone. These just have a little plastic cover. This cabinet was broke, or this drawer was broke already, so I decided to tackle this one first. And they're just like little slip covers. Okay, got a flathead screwdriver. Right there. Here we go. And they're just like slide right off. So they're just screws. I did not know that, and then it looks like you can slide them. I probably bent this one. Sure I did. So I was getting mad. Oh yeah, she's done a little bit. Worry about that when we get there. So this screw, I tried tightening it and it just doesn't want to tighten. It wants to pull out. So you can see when I tighten it, just kind of strips. So then when I pull it out, it just like that. So what I'm going to do, instead of being mad that it was sent this way, I'm going to try and get a shim. So I'll get a shim and then I'll just cut just a little sliver to try and put it in that hole, to fill that hole. And then I'll just screw it into there. Never done it before. So let's give it a shot. Okay. So I just cut a little piece like that. I'm assuming you want it kind of snug. And you want to push it in. Oops. Okay, let's try this again. Made it a little bigger this time. Oh, that's pretty good there. Oh, come on, man. Come on, baby. It's gonna work. I freaking know it is. Scratch the stove. The problem is super soft wood. I think it's gonna work for now. You know what? If it doesn't, so I got all the drawers on. I need to bring this one up. I tried to match it with the old holes on the old board, wherever it is over there. And that wasn't very smart. So I just lined up the old one because I forgot to measure before I took them off. So I just lined up the holes from the old one and then measured them to the side, 1.5 inches, and this was like 1 3/8 inches. So, and this one looks a lot better. So I just have to move that one. Doors are all on. So they sent a smaller size than what we needed. So yeah, we're gonna have to send a new one of those. Cool. Need to just level them out and put the handles on. So, but that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you could, like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.